Hey there, my name is Bobby, and I love to watch YouTube videos on owning and running an online business. But very often I come across these how to make money online videos with some extraordinary claims like $35,239 in one day. This free bot makes you $700 per day. Earn $91 per hour by just watching videos. Now, I'm not saying that any of this is untrue, but to be honest, it makes me wonder why there are so many people battling in the world if these claims are true. So instead of me thinking these claims are a bunch of bull, and to be honest I think most of them are, I thought, let me give these YouTube creators a chance and test some of these claims out to see if they really work. Surely these creators have their audience's best interests at heart and really want to help people out. To be honest, I'm not holding my breath. But my plan is to keep an open mind while doing this. I think this will be fun, so I'll be the guinea pig. Why not join me for the ride? If you enjoy these types of videos, please could you do me a solid and like the video. Let's see if we can get this video to 50 likes. Feel free to comment with links to videos you want me to test out, so you don't have to. Or just comment on the method revealed in this video and tell me what you think. Also, please remember to subscribe to my channel and push the notification bell to keep posted of all videos I upload. If you want more videos of me testing out these extraordinary claims, then type "Make Money Online in 2022 in the comments section. There's just a few things I want to mention before we get into the video. The first thing is, I'm just going to get into the business end to find out if this method is a legit way to make money online. If you are interested in watching everything this creator has to say, I have posted their video link in the description below. I'll also post all links mentioned in the video in the description. Second thing is, when I need to create accounts or do any tedious tasks like writing posts or comments, I will fast forward through that process as it's very simple to do and I don't want to bore you guys. I will, however, show you the posts or comments I have written once I'm done. And the last thing is to remember to stay until the end of the video so you can check out the results I got with this method. In the video linked in the description, this video creator claims that we can make around $55 every day on autopilot, and the best part is, we don't have to really do anything. According to the video title, the creator will show live proof, and it's affiliate marketing which is beginner friendly. Awesome, let's get into it. In the beginning of this video, the creator mentions that he made $530 within 6 days of using some automated software. So it's going to be interesting to see what software he used. He also mentions that the software is 100% automated. So I assume that's why he says in the title, you basically do it on autopilot, doing nothing. If you ask me, this already sounds too good to be true. The creator also explains that you don't have to post on social media, you do not have to pay for ads, and you do not have to make videos in order for this method to work. You basically only have to do 3 steps and you should get this targeted traffic every day and make money every day. The creator also goes on to state he's going to show us how we can make money within the next 24 hours. The creator does show us the screenshot of his Clickbank account showing he averages on around about $50 per day. And he further goes on to say it basically takes him 5 minutes per day to make this type of money. The creator says that the first step we need to take is select an affiliate offer, and you can choose any niche basically. But he is going to recommend a program, an affiliate offer for us to use. So I've come over to Clickbank as this is what the creator is using, but he says feel free to use any affiliate network out there like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Digistore 24, or any other that you have already signed up with. If you want to sign up with Clickbank, all you have to do is click on this blue button that says sign up. Sorry if you heard a birthday tune going off in the background. It was a birthday card my daughter received. So getting back to Clickbank, if you haven't signed up, you just click on that blue button that says sign up. You will then just complete all your information over here. Click this continue to terms and conditions, then accept the terms and conditions, and then click the button that says join Clickbank. So I'm just going to log into my account quickly and I'll meet you on the other side. Once you sign into your dashboard, just head over to the marketplace section. The creator says you can actually use any category over here because the software works in any niche. But he recommends this e-business and marketing category because he finds that these offers are converting the best. So I'm just going to click into e-business and marketing. The creator recommends using this product here where it says get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Apparently this is converting quite well for him. He says it's a new offer, but I think his video was done a few months back. So right now it's not a very new offer, but this is the offer he recommends to promote. The creator then clicks on this link that directs us to the affiliate page. So I'm just going to click on that. And then he says the most important thing to look out for, so if you don't promote this and you're promoting another product, is to make sure they have email swipe files, which I'm sure the majority of them do have. So it's this over here that's called email swipes. It looks like we are going to use this in the software. The creator then goes back to the marketplace and he says we need to click on this promote button to get our affiliate link. And then we're going to click on this button that says generate hop links. And there's our affiliate link over there. The creator then says we should use a link shortener like Bitly. So the reason being is because this is quite an ugly link. So I'm going to head over to my Bitly account and log in there, and I'll see you on that side. So once you've logged into Bitly, you're just going to click on this button that says create, and you need to put your affiliate link in there. So I'm just going to go back to the marketplace. I've lost my affiliate link. Let me just click on promote again. Let's generate hop link, and then let's just copy that. Head it back over to Bitly, and we're just going to paste it in there where it says enter long URL and click create. So there's our shortened URL over there. The next step is then to go to the software, which is called MailerLink. So I'm going to go to that website and I'll meet you over there. Right, so I've come to this MailerLink website and I've watched a bit of the creator's video and I've read through this MailerLink sales page, and what this software does is it scrapes email addresses from social media profiles and then gives you these email addresses so you can send emails to them promoting these affiliate products. The problem is it's kind of unethical and quite spammy and actually illegal in some countries, or the majority of countries, I would say. So just to give you an example, I actually Googled some things. First of all, let's just go to the GDPR, which is for Europe. So under Article 6 of the GDPR, titled Lawfulness of Processing, it says here, processing shall be lawful only if and to the extent that at least one of the following applies. And A, it's the first one. The data subject has given consent, the keyword there is consent, to the processing of his or her personal data for one or more specific purposes. So if we use that software, we actually don't get their permission because that software scrapes those email addresses. So they're just telling you it's unlawful. Then if you go to the FTC website, under here, what are the penalties for What are the penalties for violating the CAN-SPAM Act? So, each separate email in violation of the law is subject to penalties of up to $46,517. Well, I know I'm not willing to take that chance. So, if you guys do want to try this, I'm not saying that you'll be caught, but but I prefer doing things ethically and legally. I'm not going to sign up for this software and I'm not going to use this software. But please feel free to carry on and watch the creator's video. What happens is you purchase the software, I think it's $17. That's a once-off fee. And then you can basically scrape these email addresses and send, then you download the email addresses and then you can send your email with your offer link to these people. And I think it does 50 at a time, 50 email addresses at a time. So if you want more than 50, you just keep repeating the process. But like I said, I'm not going to get involved in this. It's a bit black hat and I'm not into that. So if you guys do want to go on further, please feel free to watch his video. But again, this opportunity is not for me. And I think it's not for most people, because you're buying software that does things illegally and unethically. So my final conclusion is that this possibly will work, but will depend on the quality of traffic from the emails scraped. The problem for me is that scraping of emails is not allowed, as I've shown on the GDPR and FTC websites. I therefore am going with my gut feel on this one, and because of it being unethical and probably illegal, I'm therefore giving it a big thumbs down. Thanks for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit that like button to help my video reach many more people. See you on the flip side. Ciao.